Hello guys, so welcome to our channel. So most of you would be thinking that if you don't have a physical Arduino board, you won't be able to code in this Arduino and all. So I have a solution for you. So we have this website called wokwi. This is an online Arduino simulator. Here we have different virtual components like Arduino Uno, ESP32 and STM32, PiPico, etc. So we can use these components. This is actually the same as the physical components, and we can use this to code different things in this website. So I will be showing you a sample of a sample program which illustrates how to blink an LED by using this Arduino board. So this is the window, and we have this coding part here, and this is the simulation part. In the simulation part, we can arrange these components, and based on the arrangement, we can code here. So I will show you how it's done. First of all, we are going to write a program which can blink an LED for about 1 second. So first you need to go to this add a new part button, and here you can choose LED. So here this LED one, and it has the red LED. If you want to change the color, you can change here. If you want a blue LED, you can choose this blue LED. If you want a yellow one, you can choose yellow one. So you can change your color according to your wish. And this LED has two terminals. One is the anode and the other one is the cathode. So as you know, you need to connect the cathode to the negative one. So it will go to the ground. The other one is the anode. That will go to the digital pin. So you know that digital pins are the pins which bear this direct current, and analog pins are the pins which bear the alternating currents. So here the analog pins are used to connect different sensors, and digital pins are used to connect devices which works on direct current. So you can choose any pins. Now I am going to choose pin number 7. Okay. Now the arranging part is over. Now we come to the coding part. So first of all, so most of you guys would be somewhat familiar with coding. So I will be just going straight into the concept. You need to define a variable. The variable value should be the value of the pin that you have connected. So I will declare a variable int p. P is the pin value. Okay. So p equal to the pin number we have connected. That will be 7. So we have defined a variable. Now you can notice that I have defined this variable outside the setup function and the loop function. Why? Because it is a global variable, and this variable I need to use in both functions. That's why I have declared it in it outside this setup and loop function. Or else if you have declared it in the setup function only, you can use it only inside the setup function. Now inside the setup function, we are telling this component, this Arduino component, what all things have been done by this pin. See, we have a 7 as a pin, and this pin is providing input or output, and in this case it is output because we are writing some values to this pin. So I will write the mode of this pin, that is pin mode, and here M is capital, please note that. Pin mode, you can see there is a red color appearing. That means the software detects that it is a keyword. Okay, so pin mode, and the value of pin we have connected, that is P, right? P, comma, and what is the function of this? Is this a providing an output or input? Is it reading or writing some value? In this case, we want to blink this LED, so we will be providing an output, so an input, sorry, output. Okay. It will be capital. Okay, we have set up this LED. Now in the loop function, as you all know, the loop will execute continuously, right? So whatever we are writing inside the loop, it will execute continuously. So inside the loop function, we are writing to blink the LED. So I just need to blink this LED for 1 second, and then I would turn it off. Then again 1 second, like that. So I will write digital write. That is the function to write. That is give some current to this 7th pin. So if you want to specify it as 7th pin, we will write like this. Digital write, and here W is capital. See, again it has turned to red color, which means it has detected it as a keyword. And okay, what was the LED number? That is 7, right? So in this case we have declared it as P. And this P, what should we do to this? Is there a current flowing or no current? That's what this means by high or low. So we are going to specify it as high. High means this LED is turning on, and again we need to turn it on for 1 second. That means we need to delay it. And here each value we are specifying is in millisecond. The time we are specifying is in milliseconds. That means 1000 milliseconds. So that is equal to 1 second, right? So that's why I have provided 1000. Now again I need to switch off the LED. After 1 second it will switch off. So I'll just copy paste it. So I will write low here. So we set the pin P to low, which means that the current through the 7th pin is switched off. Now we won't be able to see this switch off, because from here to here the transition is very fast. When you reach the end of this loop, the control flow goes through the starting of the loop. That is a very fast process that you won't be able to see. So you need to add one more delay to see the switching of the current. So I will add one more delay, just the same time delay of 1000 millisecond, that is 1 second. So I will add one more delay. Now you will be able to see the blinking of this LED. Before that, check every connections are correct, and the coding is also correct. After that, start the simulation. So this green button is the simulation button. So you need to click on it. So you can see that the LED is blinking. For 1 second it is turning on, and for the other 1 second it is turning off. Now if you need to change the time delay, you can do so. Select this 1000, and in order to select the same statements, there is a shortcut Control plus F2. So it will select all the similar values. So you need to check whether this LED can blink fast or not. So I will add a time delay of half second, so 500 millisecond. Again, this is the restart the simulation button, so you need to press that button. Okay, there is some error. Okay, I put one extra bracket. Okay, again start the simulation. You can see the LED is blinking fast. It has a time delay of half second. Again I will change this value. Again Control plus F2, and I will add a time delay of 200. Restart the simulation. See, the LED is blinking even more faster. So what you learn from is that you can actually control this LED. So let's say this on state represents 1, this off state represents 0. So you have actually made a 0 1 through this Arduino. So if you have something like a digital circuit here, coming here, then you can actually make a device here. See, wherever there is a 0 1, you can make a computer there. So wherever you are getting this 0 1 as output, you are just creating a small machine over there. So using this control, you can create anything from this. You can add more LEDs you want. There are different components here. You can add anything you want and you can experiment them with. So this is all that I have to say today. Thank you.